basically the fridge that's in here has been unplugged for an extended period of time. So with the food in there just completely rotted, we don't want to have whatever juices or anything that might be leaking in there spill out. So we're going to tape the fridge itself shut so that way nothing leaks. And that way, I had to take these doors off though because the width between this right here, I'm going to have about 1 inch of clearance with the fridge itself to fit through here. And then I have to get it out the front door without taking the doors off. So we just got to find a way to make it work.